I was playing around with some stuff, and I just thought I better turn on my camera and show you. So this is one of the long strips from the Spring Sings kit, and I just thought of belly band as soon as I saw it. So I backed it on some book page. I took some black cardstock and cut it out. If you're wondering how wide it is, so am I. Hold on. Let me get my... It is 3.5 when it was all said and done with. And I use this punch that I have, this Fiskars punch for my little sides. But if you don't have that one, then, and there's no name, but this is what it looks like underneath, if that's easier. But anyway, I've had it for a long, long time. But I forgot what I was saying. Oh gosh. Anyway, so we're going to put this on here, and then we are going to put this in this pull-out page, because when you pull it out, it'll kind of look like this, and then you pull it out, and then you see all this black and stuff. So I thought that would be pretty. I still want to think I'm going to put a pocket in there. I don't know yet. Okay, so let me glue this down. Oh, before I get going, hey, hope y'all having a good day. Oh, well, it was supposed to rain all day today. Maybe 5 minutes. So, I don't know. I got to check my phone and see what it claims to be for the next 2 days. Because, I mean, we had a lot of wind. It could have very well just blown right on by. So, I'm just going to let a little bit of the black show down on the bottom. And then I'm going to trim the top with just a little bit of black showing on top. Oops, as my glue gushes out. And then these are the offcuts from when, over here. And I just thought we'd save them. I might put them in our journal. I don't know, but they're really cute. They look like they'd be cute little borders or something. Okay, so let's just squish that. And then I know I gotta put my punch back. I'm gathering too many things on here. Okay, right there on top. All right. I know I'm gonna cheat and use my little guillotine just so I can have a shot at it really being straight. Let me trim the bottom off just a little bit. There. Alright, and then we're going to glue that. Isn't that kind of striking? I know, that black with the black. So, let's glue about 1/4 inch down. And then we'll glue about 1/4 inch. Well, okay, that's probably 1/4 inch now. And I might have gotten too much glue. Y'all, I'm getting bad with my words. And then we're gonna stick it on here. Hold it in place for a little bit. And then that will give us a double belly band tuck. I mean, if you don't want to use it for a double belly band tuck, you can always glue that one back down. And then when you open it, ta-da! Oh, let me see. Oh, you could see. All right. But I think that's pretty for a quick, easy, cute, and simple little project. So that's that one. And then I have this other little journal card that we're going to make. I know I need to fold my thing down. I need to go trim all my little stuff, but I'm waiting until I'm done. I mean, it's all glued, but we're going to make a journal card for the front. I don't know. It can be for the front. All right. So I have some of these doggone it Project Life index cards. If you don't have the Project Life, you can, like I said before, you can always go check online. They have free printing graphs, and these are 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch graphs, and you can make your own little Project Life cards and print them on some cardstock. This is 4 by 6, so you can make your own if you don't have them, or if you have graph paper, glue them onto some cardstock. So what I have is I started gluing, and I'm like, oh, I better turn this on. So I glued these little tickets on here. This is, oh, I thought I inked it. Well, I was wrong. This is an old book page, so let me gently ink, because it is definitely fragile. I think it says it's like 1952, but it's real thick paper for a paperback. Oh, all right. And I did ink all the other, no, I lied. Okay, I'm going to go around this washi sticker that I have with some tulips on here. And then this is from All Things Pink from the Junk Journal Studio. And then this is half of a, I don't even know, maybe a 5-inch. Let me see, it's still hanging out over here. I got a couple of colors that it came in. 4.5. It looks like a 4.5-inch doily. So yeah, I didn't tear it very well in half, but that's good enough. So like I said, I just inked lightly around the corners, glued our little ticket on here. Now we're gonna put our book page on. I have a moth flying around in here. I know, of all things. I'm guessing John has the front screen open still. But he is definitely attracted to my lights here. So, but I'm okay with one moth flying around, because, I mean, he has dive bombed me once, but it's not like those stink bugs or Asian beetles. Oh, just want you to know I'm going on day 3, no sleep, hardly, maybe 2 hours total. I hate it. I hate when I get this no sleep going on. Drives me absolutely bonkers. Oh. Got some stuff printing over there. I don't even remember what I'm printing. Oh, yeah. I'm printing something for another project that we're going to do tomorrow. And I'm printing some extra so I can do some for the Etsy. Alright. And then I'm just kind of putting that on there. Gently rubbing it with the dry paper towel. And then we're going to put our little tulip stickers. I know, if I wouldn't have grabbed everything together and made a prototype, a project of it, it would have taken me the whole 30 minutes to get it together, but, well. Okay, so we just want our stems to be straight. And put a little sticker on here. And then glue our little label down there. Dear Lord, I spoke too soon. I hear a stink bug flying around. Oh my God. This warm weather, I'm telling you, I'm going to have to hazmat up and figure out how to spray this yard. I hate those things. Alright, and then there is that journal card. So that was quick, easy, cute, and simple. I mean, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I know, uneven. I guess this book page counts as one though. So, oh, but I'm gonna put underneath my little block, and I'm gonna let this one dry. And then I thought we could put a little extra oomph on here. But let me see what it's gonna look like in this front page, in this front pocket. Like I said, you can move it all around however you want. I'm thinking of putting a pull tab or something on here too. But, so that would leave me, I could put some stuff right there. Alright, who do we need? Well, you know, I think we might need some more pink. But on that page, we have some blues. So maybe some pretty blue. I don't know. I think I'm going to stick with the pink just because the tulips are yellows and stuff. So, no. Oh, darn. I just said I was going to pull tab or something on there. And we'll tap them down so they'll spread out a little more. Oh, I know. I don't know what I've touched, but my hands are itching. I'm guessing some ink over there. I don't know. Because I did just pull some things off. I didn't let them dry. And I think, I don't know. Gosh. I know this is not the one that I will put on here, but I want to look to see if I didn't just, no, I will be able to get away with it just with the skin of my teeth. Wouldn't that technically be your gums? Anyway, I know I did not get any pretty paper to put on top of there. But I will have to, excuse me, look around. Hey, look what I found. I looked around. We're just going to make some tabs with some of this that I found laying on the side. I know, every now and then your mess pile works out for you. Oh, instead of an avalanche, you know, you actually get something. Let's make sure I can put this on here without damaging my dots. Oy, oy, oy. So guess what? Our gates broke again. Oh, dear God. Anyway, I hate that gate. You know, the first one we got didn't have a problem with it for, I mean, let me see. We were here 8.5, 7.5, 6.5 years. I mean, we've only had this one for, I don't know, 7, 8 months. And it's just a pain in the butt. Has so many issues. And John's going to muck around. You know, I'd like to use some other word. And we're going to be out of our warranty because he doesn't want to take the time to have to fight with them with this warranty thing. But that gate, I'm telling you, jeez, I'm sick of it. Okay, let me see. I said this was 4, so my 2, so this would be my middle. Ooh, make sure I don't stick my finger on it. And that. Let me use this. Be gentle. Not be aggressive. And we'll have a little pull tab on there. And that way we'll pull in a little more pink with our things. I know, I'm thinking I need some cotton picking sequins. I know. I have issues, y'all. I love those little sequins. Okay, we're just going to put two little sparkles here. With my, uh-oh. My pokey tool is stuck in there. Let's see. I guess we'll use this one that they call blue iridescent, but I mean it looks kind of bluish in here. But when you put it on, by gosh, it's pink. Alright, see, I know. See, doesn't that sparkle make you happy? Made me happy. And today, right now, that's all that matters. Because, I'm not even going down that road. Let's just say I'm not talking to John today. I'm mad at him. So anyway, alright. Well, that's our little journal card that we did. I know this is a quick, easy, cute, simple, fast video. But there's that one. And then we did something else. Oh. We did our belly band. Oh my gosh. See? I have got to try to go get some sleep because I'll be like tomorrow on the next one. So, okay. There we go. We did that belly band. And hey, we'll just use this little paper clip up here and stick him right there. And then I got to make sure I put something so my page doesn't shut. Where's my... Somebody... Oh, there he is. I'm like, somebody help me find my book opener. All right. Well, there you go. So we got a double belly band and a... Oh, there's our moth. Sorry. I'm telling you, he's dive bombing me, but... Oh, see, and I'm wondering, do I want some sparkle? No, because that's thin paper, so I don't want any sequins on there because that's you know, thinner paper right there. All right, so we have a double belly band. See, I don't know if y'all saw him flying, but oh, Lord. So we have our double belly band that we used from ephemera from the kit, from the Spring Sings kit, and then we have this collage Project Life grid card that we just use with some scraps and parts and pieces and just turn it into something that goes with our little journal. All right, guys. Well, I know I'm wondering if I don't know. I might put a butterfly on there. I need some more pink, I think. But anyway, I'll show you next time if I change my mind. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing some of your time with me. Thanks for sharing some of your day with me. I hope you enjoyed this. And like I said, you know, this is just a quick, easy little belly band to do. And if you want to put... You didn't want a double one, you just want to put lace on there or something, just, you know, give yourself a little extra backing on it so that way you can glue your lace to it so you have a little something for your lace to stick onto so you don't lose your pretty little butterflies. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Thanks for all your love. Thanks for all your support. Thanks for your comments. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for all my lovely subscribers. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Lots of kisses, lots of love. Oops. And y'all have a great day and a blessed day. Bye, guys.